Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Oris watches for men, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying link are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 5. Oris Divers Mechanical 01-733-7707-4337. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Calendar, month. Movement, mechanical. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Number 4. Oris Brashear Calibre 401 watch 01-401-7764-3185. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special features, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement Calibre 401, automatic self-wind. Water-resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 3. Oris, the Big Crown Pointer Date Calibre 01-403-7776-4065-07-51911. Fixed bezel. Bracelet strap, leather. Case material, steel. Case width, 38 millimeters. Dial color, blue. Gender, men's. Movement, automatic. Water resistant, 50 meters. Movement, automatic. Power reserve, 120 hours. Number of jewels, 24. Case diameter, 38 millimeters. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Blue dial. Bracelet material. Calf skin. Bracelet color, black. Buckle clasp. Polished and brushed stainless steel. Polished hands. The hour and minute hands with luminous fill. Luminous painted numeral and triangular index hour markers. Printed minute and seconds tracks. Small seconds subdial at 6 o'clock. Date printed on the dial perimeter and indicated via the red arrowhead central hand. Oris in-house caliber 403 beats at 28,800 VPH. The movement is highly anti-magnetic and is fitted with a silicone escape wheel and anchor. Number 2. Oris, the Holstein edition 01-403-776-4083-set. Case, big crown, stainless steel. Movement, automatic winding pointer date. Small second developed by Oris. Dial, gray. Strap bracelet, leather. Case, 38 millimeter. Stainless steel, polished and brushed, flat bezel, screw down crown and case bag. 50 meter water resistance. Dial, gray. Indices, numbers, and hands printed with super luminova. Peripheral date ring with central pointer date hand with red tip. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement, Oris Calibre 403 automatic. Twin barrels for 120-hour power reserve. Highly anti-magnetic. Accuracy rating of -3 + 5 seconds per day. 10-year warranty. Central hours, minutes, date, small second hands at 6 o'clock. Number 1. The Oris Aquis Pro Date Calibre 01-400-7767-07-426-64 Case, Aquis, 49.5 millimeter titanium. Black DLC plated. Movement, automatic winding date developed by Oris. Dial, black. Strap, bracelet, rubber. Case shape, round. Case dimensions, 49.5 millimeters. Case material, titanium. Dial color, black. Crystal scratch-resistant sapphire. Bezel, unidirectional rotating, screw-in crown, water resistance 100 meters, case back solid, band material rubber, color finish black, push button deployment buckle clasp, lug width 26 millimeters, movement automatic.